Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use coupon codes on Temu. All right, so let's begin with the video. Using coupon codes on Temu saves you money by providing discounts on your purchases. And I'm here to teach you that. So we're going to go ahead and find some products that we can purchase. Let's go ahead and try this one here. This is kind of like interesting watch. I'm just going to go ahead and add this to cart, just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and open our cart. So we have already selected that particular watch or that particular product. We're just going to go ahead and click down here. It says checkout. And then from here, you can go ahead and scroll down. And there are different payment methods here. Choose which one is applicable for you. For example, I'm just going to choose Google Pay. And then if I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, there is an option that says apply coupon code. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. If you have any coupon codes, you should be able to see them in here. As you can see, there's nothing here as of the moment, but basically if you have any, you can just go ahead and click that one and then hit the apply button. After doing so, all of the benefits like discounts, cashbacks, or points system that you're going to get from those checkout codes, it will be applied in here. So once everything is done, just go ahead and click the submit order and you should be good to go. So that's basically how you can use coupon codes on Temu. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.